Hi, my name's Cody Storms. I work for Pipe Wrench Plumbing, and I'm a plumbing install tech. Chose to work at Pipe Wrench because I heard it was the best. So far, it has been. I used to do siding. I did flooring, windows, storm doors, just a little bit of everything. I've always been around the construction area of work. I like everything about it, really. I like that it's something different every day. The people I work with, they're amazing. Everybody treats me like family. If I'm having trouble with something, they get me to where I need to be. It's really been the best job I've ever had. I love spending time with my family. I love playing the guitar, like going fishing, being outdoorsy. Just really being a family guy, just being an outdoors person. It's everything that I like to do.